Troy Mercanti, a prominent figure within the Mongols motorcycle club, has been granted bail after he spent a weekend in custody on severe sexual assault allegations. Following which the law enforcement authorities have disclosed the possibility of additional charges being brought against him. Perth Bikie Troy Mercanti was granted bail on Monday 6 May 2024, after being accused of raping and assaulting a woman after meeting her on a night out at the Metro City nightclub in Northbridge last week. The 56-year-old appeared in Perth Magistrates Court via video link from Hakea Prison, where it was also revealed a second woman has gone to police since his public arrest on Thursday 2 May 2024, also accusing the Mongols boss of a separate sexual assault. Mercanti's old friend and lawyer Paul Holmes told the court that his client would strenuously deny the accusations. Police prosecutors claimed that Mercanti was accompanied by Perth businessman John Kaizen and another woman during a night out on May 2 at the Metro City nightclub in Northbridge, where he allegedly encountered one of the victims. The group departed from the nightclub and proceeded to Mercanti's mother's residence in Karanath, where the victim and Mercanti purportedly consumed alcohol and cocaine. Prosecutors further alleged that Mercanti then digitally raped the woman, backhanded her to the face, and forced the woman onto her knees and put his part inside her mouth. And said, "Shut the fuck up and suck it," prosecutors told the court. He was looking at her like he was going to kill her, so out of fear she did as instructed. A close associate of Mercanti, who was reportedly present at the residence, entered the scene during the alleged bathroom assault. The victim purportedly begged her for assistance, to which Mercanti instructed her to leave. The woman allegedly told police she only escaped because someone opened the door to the bathroom they were in, before escaping to a neighbor's house and calling for help. This close friend later provided a statement that favors the accused in some aspects but also validates the victim's statement. The alleged victim then ran to a male neighbor for help, but he would not give a statement because he was too intimidated, well aware of who Mercanti was. In opposing bail, the prosecutors told the court that Mercanti has a history of involvement in criminal activities, indicating a pattern of behavior that poses a risk to the community if he were to be released on bail. Plus he has strong Bikie associations and is closely connected to the Mongols Bikie Club, which is often associated with organized crime and a culture of loyalty and secrecy. Mercanti's senior position in the club also means that his high ranking affords him significant sway over fellow members, who are inclined to follow his directives. Furthermore, prosecutors assert that Mercanti could potentially exploit this influence to manipulate witnesses or intimidate them into providing a statement in his favor, thus undermining the fairness and integrity of the legal process. This argument aimed to persuade the court that releasing Mercanti on bail would pose a significant risk to the administration of justice and the safety of potential witnesses. The court was told that the victim had received messages from Bikie members possibly linked to the accused and Mongols, which she took to be an implied threat to the victim's family. Additionally, prosecutors disclosed that another woman had stepped forward in a separate incident subsequent to the media coverage surrounding Mercanti's recent arrest. However, these charges are entirely distinct, involving a historical sexual assault case for which a statement has been obtained. An investigation into this matter has also been initiated. In defense of his client, Holmes said Mercanti had no breach of bail on his record, and said he thought the police's case was weak. He told the court the matter involved two people giving a vastly conflicting story and Mercanti absolutely denies the offending. Holmes also emphasized that his client should be granted bail due to the anticipated time frame for the matter to be heard in the district court, which could likely extend for a year. This extended period of pretrial detention without a conviction would unduly prolong Mercanti's incarceration and is unjust. After all this, the magistrate granted Mercanti bail with conditions including living at his mother's home, reporting to police twice weekly and paying a $100,000 personal undertaking. Mercanti is also not allowed to go within 500 meters of the alleged victim and is not allowed to contact her. Mercanti will return to court on July 15. Including this matter, Mercanti is presently out on bail for two distinct matters. The other one pertains to an altercation with rebels bikies at an Ellenbrook fish and chip shop on March 10. In that incident, he was charged by police with one count of engaging in public fighting causing fear, an offense that carries a potential 2-year prison sentence. This altercation also garnered significant attention, given Mercanti's prominent status and the involvement of rival rebels motorcycle club members. Magistrate Andrew Matthews' recent decision to grant bail to Mercanti has ignited considerable public outcry across news outlets and social media platforms, particularly given Mercanti's troubled history. People have highlighted that in June 2023, Mercanti pleaded guilty to repeatedly breaching the conditions of a post-prison order which banned him from drinking alcohol, entering a bar and associating with bikies. The 2-year-long supervision order was imposed on the 56-year-old in 2019 when he was released from jail after serving 7 years for bashing his former partner. Mercanti pleaded guilty in the Perth Magistrates Court to breaching the order on 9 occasions after state prosecutors dropped 65 other instances of the same charge. He admitted to breaching the order 4 times in Perth, twice in New South Wales, and once each in Fremantle, Mindarie, and East Victoria Park. This Bikie story ignites broader conversations about the efficacy of the justice system and the management of individuals with complex criminal histories. It will be interesting to see how the story progresses and what details and facts come out when Mercanti faces district court. Whatever the case, we will continue to closely monitor the developments in this case and provide you with updates as they become available. If you're looking for more exciting and eye-catching regular Bikie updates, don't hesitate, smash that subscribe button, spread the word rapidly, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments section, and for the true grid Spartans out there, consider sending a super thanks to show some love. It goes a long way in keeping us motivated and the channel thriving, as most of the videos on this channel are not monetized due to its crime-related content. Stay tuned, stay curious, stay awesome and take care. Wu-Tang!
And to all the mothers out there, have a Merry Christmas, and tell your sons, don't join the rebels.